What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is Friday, so I do hope we do just gonna take a trade today. It's been like the last 2 days. I didn't take no trade at all. Just didn't provide any beautiful setups. But right now it looks pretty decent. Yeah. So basically we kind of moved to the downside. We're just gonna make a quick analysis so everybody can be on the same page. Yeah, right now the price action turn into uptrend. Yeah, and it's making like very beautifully higher highs and higher lows, and right now it kind of starts, I would say, pretty aggressively to come to the downside. Yeah, so what do we can see right here? Yeah, we do have here below. Yeah, let me just point it out. We do have here the EMA traders. Here we do have the ICT traders, and we can say we have here the ICT. Yeah, here is some. They would say here is imbalance or some shit like that. Yep, and then we do have. Oops, we do have here the Fibonacci traders. That's gonna take 32786 somewhere around here. Yeah, and here is the EMAs also. And also at the same time we do have every each low we do have the supply and demand traders. Yeah, so it's very simple concept. Due to the fact that 90% of traders lose money, yeah, I'm gonna try to take something against them, and my uh, my my target is gonna be this low. I'm not sure if we will get to that point, but we will see. For right now, what I'm gonna expect, guys, is very simple. I'm gonna expect price action just to move to the downside. If he gets to this zone, like to show me evidence that he wants to break this low, I'm gonna enter a sell. Very simple. And I'm gonna target this low. Is no better than this. So we will see if the price action, the way how he will develop, and I will keep you guys posted. If you like this type of content, guys, feel free to like, man, because I need like a lot of traders to see the way how I trade. I just want to share. I'm not like selling any courses. I just want to share with as many people as possible, like how do I trade, and maybe everybody can get some tips out of those videos. So yeah, guys, I will stay tuned, and yeah, we will see how the price will develop. What's good, people? Yeah, unfortunately today is the day. Today is Friday. That unfortunately we did not get our entry point, because how I said, I supposed to take the trades while the EMAs was sitting at this zone. Right now the price action kind of starts consolidating a little bit. Yeah, and the problem with all of that is because at this point the EMA is already getting past my zone, so there is still a chance that I might gonna take a trade, but I'm not sure, to be honest. It doesn't really look that good how I thought it's gonna be, because me personally, to be honest, I do like when, let me just give you an example, when the price action goes like that, yeah, and then it hits a high, but this high, it should be like, I don't know, like London high, previous day high or low, like some good liquidity. Yeah, and usually what happens, like it runs the highs and the lows, and at the end kind of breaks the low, the previous low. So that's what I'm trying to do, is when I'm seeing the rate from when I'm seeing the EMAs somewhere up here at the point of interest of all the traders, I'm trying to get the cells. Either there is an imbalance, either there is like supply and demand, break and retest, Fibonacci areas, and all that good stuff. So usually people will start taking buys all the way down, but here I just gonna enter a trade right here somewhere. I'm gonna put my stop loss like that. I'm just gonna target to take 1 to 2 risk to reward, something like that. Oh, 182 also is good. But then I'm giving to try. I'm gonna take here, and then I'm gonna take here also trade. And this one is gonna be 1 to 3 risk to reward. That's my plan. That's what I'm trying to catch all the time, because most of the time how I realized the price, we're gonna take the high and then we'll smash the low, and then we're gonna go higher, something like that. So you can grab this, this impulse, you can grab it like that, and then you can grab it like, because people now will gonna think we are moving to the downside, so people are gonna change their mind, and they will gonna start giving here some rejection, yeah. But the problem is traders will gonna start like selling here, selling like crazy, you know. Here somebody will take a this retest, somebody will take a head and shoulders, somebody will take Fibonacci, somebody will take the moving average, somebody will take ICT like fair value gaps, and somebody will take like this extreme we're gonna take as a supply and demand. And obviously what's gonna happen, I'm gonna take the entry like that, and I'm gonna target the high, and I'm gonna take this low, I'm gonna be right, and then sometime I can be and then I'm gonna take this high, which also I'm gonna be right. It's very beautiful concept, guys, but I mean, it's just practice and practice and practice, and you can see like those setups every single way, yeah. You see like they run this high, yeah, and then look what happened. The price action came, and this push, they took this low, yeah. People thinking is a break and retest. Then what happens? People was seeing this beautiful pin bar, yeah. People was taking sells, but unfortunately they took this high. Sorry, they took this high. And obviously the extreme one here is beautiful. You see like whoa, ICT, supply and demand, beautiful selling pressure, yeah. That's what everybody talks on internet. Beautiful selling pressure, break 1, 2, 3 structure, wherever, yeah. They left a fair value gap, and everything is matching that is gonna go to the downside. But what you can do instead, you can just buy. You can just buy, and most likely the price action will gonna take the highs. Don't really matter how, when. Obviously not every single trade is gonna be a winner as every single strategy, but trust me guys, you will be surprised. You just have to look at it. You see aggressive selling, yeah, and then boom, they took this high. Right now they moving up. Most likely the price action, we will see if they're gonna take this high, yeah. If they're gonna take this high, yeah, it could be like potentially to come down and take this low, maybe even this low, but most likely I'm gonna be focused on this one. So it's very simple concept, guys. You can literally take trades, but obviously don't get like too crazy and too mad about this strategy, because it's gonna be too crazy. But that's kind of my strategy. It's very simple concept, guys. You just have to practice and try to understand. Don't even look like what I'm doing, because what I'm doing is I'm just sharing with you guys. That's why I'm trying to tell you. I'm sharing with you like what I'm looking in the market, so everybody who's gonna watch my video, yeah, everybody to understand at least what I'm looking for. I'm looking like the price action to take off a high, and then I'm gonna look to take back the low. And because everybody knows like 70% of the time the price action is consolidating. So don't try to get a move, because most likely you won't get a move. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. If you do really like it, subscribe, like this video, and see you on my next one. But for now, I think that's gonna be the end of the video. And yeah, it's bad that I didn't took no trade for today, but man, listen, it is what it is. It's nothing what we can do about it. That's just a trading, and that's something normal. This is already third day that I'm not taking a trade, and I'm cool with that. I do got my job that I gotta do, and yeah, I just, watching the market every single day, having a look if there represents any opportunity to take in a trade. If not, then I'm moving on to the next day. It's very simple. I'm not really too mad about it. But yeah, guys, I do hope you enjoy it. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you on my next one. Peace and love. I'm out.